Sklearn-Pandas DataFrameMapper, mapper.fit_transform gives value error, bad input shape, 8, 2. I was able to replicate the example given in the GitHub repo. However, when I tried it on my own data, I got the value error. Below is a dummy data that, which gives the same error as my real data. Below is the error. Value error traceback, most recent call last, in, greater than 1 np.roundmapper.fit_transform data.copy, 2c:\_users/updata/local/continuum/anaconda3/lib/site packages/sklearn/base.py and fit_transform self, x, y, fit_params. 453 if y is none, 454 hash fit method of error d1, unsupervised transformation, greater than 455 return self.fitx, fit_params. Transform x 456 else, 457 hash fit method of error d2, supervised transformation c:\_users_updata/e245713/updata/continuum/anaconda3/lib/site packages/sklearn_pandas-dataFrame_mapper.py and fit self, x, y, 95 for columns, transformers in self.features, 96 if transformers is not none, greater than 97 transformers.fit self.get_call_subset x, columns, 98 return self 99. Can anyone help? Thanks.
You should only submit multiple arrays to a transform if it indeed takes multiple inputs, for example sklearn.decomposition.pca1 in the documentation. In your case the error ultimately comes from this line. Even this does not work. You instead have to do something like this.
If you want to save more, please consider subscribing.